Today, I will share with you the manufacturing process of a 12-volt mobile power supply. The battery cells used here are 18,650 ternary lithium batteries, and the capacity of each cell is 2,500 mAh. Before assembling the lithium battery, it is necessary to perform capacity grading and matching of the battery cells. Fix the battery cells with 18,650 single-link brackets. This assembly is 3 series and 4 parallel, and 3 for brackets need to be spliced. Install the battery cells on the brackets according to the polarity requirements and connect the batteries with a spot welder. First, connect them in parallel and then in series. Pay attention to the series connection direction of the welding surface. Install the protection board dedicated for 3 series ternary lithium batteries. Select a protection board with an appropriate current based on the discharge rate of the battery cells and the load requirements. Choose a good position for the protection board and keep the total positive and negative electrodes. As close as possible, double-sided tape can be used for fixation. It is recommended to stick an epoxy board underneath to increase insulation. Connect the acquisition flat cable of the protection board according to the wiring diagram. It is recommended to use high-temperature resistant silicone wires for connecting the protection board. After the completion, measure the voltage of the charging and discharging interface of the protection board. Put a heat-shrinkable film on the battery. If possible, wrap an epoxy board around it. Use hot air to shrink the heat. Shrinkable film and apply 700 for silicone gel at the gaps for sealing. Connect the aviation model plug at the output end of the battery. Test the completed 12-volt outdoor battery.